vocabulary 14 স্টেশন that means একই স্টেশন সংক্রান্ত কথা বলি so regarding the railway station in Japan this is one of the exceptional so something over there in Japan basically the passenger used too much in Suica. This is one of the card, so pass card. This is called a Suica. So the Suica machine we can recharge over there, so we can make easily this type of card from the machine. So this machine called a ticket kippu in Japan. Kippu 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 double kippu in Japan. This is called kippu ticket. Kippu uriba ticket area uriba kippu uriba uriba kippu uriba ticket area kippu uriba, that means a ticket area. So here regarding the railway station, kaisasu guchi kai I sachu kaisasu guchi kaisasu guchi kaisachu guchi ticket barrier. Here we have to pass at first Suica, then we can move, and otherwise here is a barrier, so it will open and close the door. So ticket barrier kaisasu guchi kaisachu guchi ticket barrier. So here iriguchi in kanji iriguchi iriguchi sorry, here is iriguchi iriguchi, that means entrance. Iriguchi entrance. If we get or see the type of sign entrance, iriguchi entrance. So in the entrance in Japan we can see the type of sign, kanji sign. This is called iriguchi entrance. Here ticket machine this is called ticket machine. So jido ken baiki we already knows jido han baiki we already knows han baiki, the type of word. So now we see here jido ken baiki ticket machine jido ken baiki jido ken baiki jido ken baiki jido ken baiki. Here is long jido so jido ken baiki. This is called a ticket machine jido ken baiki ticket machine. In Japan, if you enter inside the rail, we have to pass this type of barrier by using Suica. we can't use any money directly over there. So here, fare adjustment machine, fare adjustment. If you have no enough money in our card, we can adjust our money by using that machine. That's called sei san key. Sei san key, fare adjustment machine. Sei san key. Sei san key, fare adjustment machine. Sei san key, fare adjustment machine. Deguchi, exit. Deguchi, Deguchi. Here is a exit. Deguchi. We can exit from the station. We can see the type of sign called Deguchi. Deguchi. So now, different type of entrance in Japan. We know the fourth side. This is our normal in Japan station. If you say north, south, west, east. So this is basically common 4 pattern, but in Japan here is a lot of pattern. So here is just one entrance, south entrance. South entrance. So Minami Guchi. Minami. So this type of kanji. Minami. Minami Guchi. South entrance. Minami Guchi. South entrance. West entrance. This is called Nishi Guchi. West entrance. Nishi Guchi, west entrance. Higashi Guchi, east exit. Higashi Guchi or entrance. Higashi. Higashi Guchi, east. Higashi. Kitaguchi, north exit or entrance. Kitaguchi. Guchi. Kitaguchi, north. Chuoguchi. Long. Chuoguchi. Chuoguchi means central exit or entrance. Kiosk. Buy 10. In the station, we can buy each and everything almost emergency in condition. So in the station, this is in Japan, here is kiosk. So buy 10, this is called buy 10. Platform. So here is called home. Platform. Platform. So here is Koen Rokka. Koen Rokka. Queen Rokka. কুইন রক্কা মানে কোয়েন লকার, that means কোয়েন লকার. So in katakana, coin rocka, this is called coin locker. By using a coin, that means a money, we can put our different valuable things inside over there. So by secured, so coin locker, coin rocka, coin rocka. Takshi, takshi, noriba. Takshi, a station. Here is a station. Noriba, 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 a station. Takshi, noriba, takshi, a station, but taxi, a station. Basu tei, bus, a stop, basu tei, bus, a stop. Super express train, Tokyu, Tokyu, long, Tokyu, super express train, that means so fast train, fast, 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 local train. Fuchu, TSU, long, Fuchu, local train. Fuchu, local train. Express train. Kyuko, express train. Long, Kyuko, long, Kyuko, express train. Kyuko, express train. Rapid service train. Kaisoku, Kaisoku, rapid service train. Kaisoku. Semi express train. Junkyu, long, Junkyu, semi express train. Junkyu, semi express train. Timetable of bus and train. Timetable of bus and train. Jikoku hyo, Jikoku, hyo, he, long, hyo, Jikoku hyo, timetable. Jikoku hyo, timetable. Hachu, departing. Departing. Arrive. Chaku, arrive. Chaku, arrive. Chaku, arrive. Hachu, depart. Hachu, depart. Tei kiken. Tei kiken. Tei kiken. Season ticket or commuter pass. Season ticket. Tei kiken. Tei kiken. Season ticket. Tei kiken. Season ticket. Tei kiken. Season ticket. Kaisuken. Coupon ticket. Kaisuken. Kaisuken. Coupon ticket. Coupon ticket. Kaisuken. Katamichi means one way. Katamichi, one way. Katamichi. Katamichi, one way. Ofuku, round trip or return. Ofuku. Fuku. Fuku. Return or round trip. Fuku. Return or round trip.